Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Ida Arjun and I'm from Mairang. Before, I was a person who gets easily intimidated whenever I'm in a conversation with a person who's very good in English. But after joining Avenues, I learned how to convey my ideas effectively. These presentations that we did every day here in Avenues has helped me a lot in boosting up my confidence. It will help us with sentence structure, the placement of words, and it will also help set a strong foundation when it comes to communication and public speaking. I became more self-aware when I talk to people. My tone, my body language, and everything. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to Avenues and the team